How to clean the mass airflow sensor on your 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. Common issues with a dirty sensor are problems such as rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, transmission shifting issues, and check engine light on. So let's get started. Located on the air intake tube between your air filter and throttle body, you will see the mass airflow sensor located here. Push up on the red locking tab and push the center of the sensor in to release and pull as the mechanic shows here. With the connector unplugged, we can remove the sensor. Using a Torx 15, unscrew the two screws shown here. Now you will be able to lift the mass airflow sensor out of the intake tube to do the cleaning. On a clean surface, we are ready to clean the sensor. Do not use anything other than mass airflow cleaner. Any other cleaners will leave a residue on the sensor and cause interruptions with the sensor's signal. If you can't find this at your local parts store, we have listed some in the links below our video. Now you will want to spray this sensor down really good, getting every bit of it clean, as the mechanic does here. If you look closely, you can actually see the sensor drying off. You will want to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before reinstalling it back on the vehicle. This is to ensure every bit of the sensor is fully dry. Once dry, you can put the sensor back in and start your two Torx 15 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. If you do, it will strip the plastic threads in the tube and cause an air leak beside your sensor, causing more issues. Once tight, push the connector down on the sensor until you hear it snap into place. Then push down on your red locking tab. Let the vehicle set for another 10 minutes after installation and you are ready for a test drive. I hope this video helped you guys. Please give us a like and subscribe.